KIDSVENTURE-TV.
Hello kids, come on, let's learn how to speak English.
How are you?
I am good.
How old are you?
I am 22.
Where are you from?
I am from the USA.
Where were you born?
In Florida.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like me?
Yes, I do.
Can you help me?
Yes, I can.
Are you angry?
Yes, a little.
Why are you angry?
Because you are rude.
I am sorry.
It's all right.
Can I sit here?
Sure, you can.
Can I join you?
Yes, you are welcome.
Can I ask you a favor?
Sure, please ask.
Can I use your phone?
Sorry, I am using it.
Can I borrow your laptop?
Sure, here it is.
Can I take a break?
Of course.
Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, subscribe the channel.